Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and my Diaspora into Home series, and today we are giving you something special. We're giving you a walkthrough of a property that is for sale in the beautiful Kokununo area of Aburi, which is just a few, 20 minutes outside of Accra. So make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't done so far already, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for this. Area that you can stand out or sit down and enjoy the wonderful views that you have. Let's go inside. So over here you have your dining area, and then to my left you also have your kitchen. So just down here we have our bedrooms. We've got two really sizable bedrooms. Come and have a look. Okay, so on our left, we have our master bedroom. There's a sizable room. You've got space for even an office space if you wanted to. You've got a double or king size bed. You've got a really spacious bathroom. And in that bathroom, I saw there are not one, but two showers in there as well. So let's have a look. So over here on my right hand side, we've got our second bedroom. So this room, again, has a really sizable space and also a very sizable ensuite as well. So let's have a look. Now this property is located on the Aburi Mountains, and it's not so far from a lot of amenities and tourist attractions like the Papaya Village, for example. You've got some really amazing, great views from this property as well. Now the property is being sold with all of the finishings, furnishings and fixtures that you see. Now the owner is looking to sell this property that he built himself just 2 years ago. He's only lived in the property for 2 years, and he is planning to sell it to relocate back to the UK. He is selling this property for $550,000 US, and essentially you get everything you have seen in this video. It does have a really great lease term of over 90 years as well. So guys, if you're interested in finding out more about this property, please do get in touch. Click on the link below or drop me an email, and we can look at how you can become the new owner of this fantastic property. In the meantime, continue to like, comment, and also please do subscribe. I'm constantly putting out content, so I want you guys to know when my next piece of content is going to be. So click on the notification bell, and that will make sure you don't miss out on when my next videos are posted. I'll see you in my next video.